Alright, so we are live. This is our recording. This is our workout. We're going to be doing the Endercraft HD workout. So let's go show this to the camera.
We have this board so we can write some ideas.
Wait. Say that again, but wait, this. I'm talking to this. But we're going to start with some stretches first, okay? Let's go warm our body up. For some stretches. Face that way, because the camera's that way. Stand up. Come up we go. Up. Okay. Pick up your knee. Again, pick up your other knee. Okay. Let's do some jumping jacks. Come on. Okay. Now push down here. 1, down. 2, good. 3, good. 4, 5. Pull. Come on. 6. 6. Come on. 7. Focus. 7. There you go. Come on. 8. 8. Pull. 8. Pull. Good.
9.
Come on. 3 more.
10.
2 more.
11.
1 more.
12.
Push.
Oh, God.
Good job. All right. What's next?
Okay, we're gonna do 10 push-ups.
Okay. Do them right there in front of the barbell. 1. Good. 2. Chest to the ground. Chest to the ground. Get up. 3. Good. Again. 4. Good. Again. 5. Good. Again. Down. Don't talk. Focus. 6. Good. Down. 7. 8. You're getting better at these, Henry. 2 more. 9. 1 more. And 10. Alright, good job.
Now we're gonna do some
Kettlebell
deadlifts.
1. Good. 2. Touch the ground. Stand up all the way. Don't let it swing. Okay. Bend your knees. Elbows straight. Straight your elbows. Up. Bend your knees. Back up. 1 more time. 1 more. Alright, good job. Alright, what's next? One more. All the way down. One more. Come on. All the way. That's not all the way. You gotta go all the way down. Yeah, buddy. High five. Okay, we got 2 more rounds. Okay, again, up. 3, good. 4, 5. Go all the way. Get your chin up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the way up. 10. Pull. 11. 1 more. Come on. 1 more. 12. Good job. 1. There you go. Good. 2. 3. Good. Come on. 4. Good. Come on. You can do it. Oh, and hands are straight like this. 5. Good. What are you doing? That doesn't count. No rep. 6. There you go. That was a good one. 7. 3 more. 1 more. Good job. All right, what's next? No, knees are bent. Bend your knees. And pull. 1. Again, tight stomach. 2. Good. Tight stomach. 3. 2 more. Tight stomach. 4. Again, up. All right, good job. All right, squats now. 1, yeah, there you go. 2, all the way down. Nope. 3, all the way down. 4, 5, 6, 7, way down. And 1. Good. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7. Oh, no, that doesn't count. 7, chin above the bar. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. Hold it. 1 and 2. All right. 1, all the way down. 2, there you go. Again. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, good. 7, good. 8, come on, down. 9, 10, oh! High five. All right, last round. All right, oh, dumbbell. 1, bend the knees, right? Bend the knees, bend your knees, arms are straight. Hey, arms are straight, okay? Okay, and up. Cool, there you go. Tighten your stomach. It's okay, tighten your stomach. Yeah! 2 more, right? 1 more, tight stomach. Yeah, buddy, good job. Okay, what's next? And begin. 6, 1, there you go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tight core, tight stomach. 6, all right, high five. All right, that was awesome.
Okay. So tomorrow, guys, we're gonna do a paperwork Minecraft time. And it's right over there. Okay, it's over there. With mobs in gravel blocks.
Look at this picture of Elliot. Look. Talk more.
And the gravel blocks are so easy to make. I'm just staring at the ball. Oh God. I can't look at anything. Oh wow.
What?
I have nothing left to say.
Okay.
So,
Tell.
and bye.
Go say.
This is the end of crafting. Crafty. So, goodbye. Peace.